Welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. I'm Heidi Harold. I'm a Public Services Librarian at Hamilton East Public Library. Today we are going to fix pimento cheese hush puppies from the cookbook Fix Me a Plate by Scotty Scott. And please check out my interview with Scotty Scott on the blog. So the first thing we need to do is make the pimento cheese. So we have 2 1/4 cups of shredded cheese. Then we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon minced garlic, 2 tablespoons softened butter, 1/2 cup of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a drained jar of pimentos, and then some black pepper, and some salt. Our next step is to make the hush puppies. First, we take 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal. We'll then add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. We're then gonna add 1/2 of a grated yellow onion, 1 tablespoon chopped green onion, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 cup buttermilk. And now I'll mix to combine. Now we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of the batter, and we're going to shape it into a disc, and then add about a tablespoon of the pimento cheese. Then we are going to form the batter around the pimento cheese, trying to cover the pimento cheese and keeping all of that inside. So this is a little bit of a messy process. We have our 1/4 cup of the batter, flattening it into a disc again, and then adding about a tablespoon of the pimento cheese. Okay, so we have let these rest for 10 minutes. Now we are going to cook them in the peanut oil for 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally. They're finally finished, and I've never seen such huge hush puppies. Let's cut into one and see what's inside. Ooh, gooey wonderfulness. Enjoy!